We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2018 Bmw K 1600 GTL. This bike is in light white. We have dual disc braking in the front, ABS front and rear, fog lights, multiple options to place your feet while riding. Extremely comfortable seat. I'm imagining it'd be extremely comfortable for the passenger as well. We've got the nice passenger handholds too. We have locking saddlebags and a locking top case with a rack on the top as well. Tons of options on this bike, tons of electronics. It has music, adjustable windshield, cruise control. This thing is really cool. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.